Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Not Necessary. In this video, I'm going to explain strings in Python. Okay, so basically what is this string? String is nothing but it's a order sequence of characters. Okay, others like we can say that it's a group of characters. Okay, and a string is a immutable. We have to remember this. It's very important. A string is a immutable. A string is a immutable. So immutable is nothing but we cannot add or we cannot delete the characters from string. Okay, so that like we'll be calling it's an immutable. Okay, now let's see like how can we create string. Okay, let's see like how can we create a string. For that I'll be taking string is equal to, I'll be writing something like characters. Let's just I'll be writing Python. Okay, now if I see the type of this, if I see the type of this, you guys can see it's a string. Okay, it's a string. Let me zoom this. Yeah. Okay, now you guys can see, right? It's a string. Like this is how like we'll be creating a string. Okay, now let's see the accessing elements from string. Like how can we access the elements, or like we can say the characters from string. Okay, for that first let me take string is equal to, like let me take Python itself. So Python. Okay, now in the previous videos, like for in list I have explained about indexing. Okay, if you guys have remembered about indexing, in indexing there are like two types. One is forward indexing, other one is backward indexing. Forward indexing starts from 0 1 2 3 4 so on. Okay, and backward indexing starts from -1, sorry, -1 -2 -3 and so on, right? So by using indexing we'll be accessing the characters from string. Okay, let me give an example. Okay, so I have taken a string, a variable called string, and I have given the values for that. Okay, now let me access. So I need the first character from this string. Okay, I need first character, I need P. How can I access? I need to write the index. So index is 0 for P. So if I print this, I'll be getting as P. Okay, else I will access one more element. Yeah, so for the same thing I need to access T. I need to access T. So let me check the index. So 0 1 2 3. Okay, if I write 3 here, I'll be getting as H. This is basically forward indexing. Like we can access by using forward indexing. This is forward indexing. Let's see backward indexing. Okay, let's see the backward indexing. How can we access from backward? Okay, same variable, like variable string name and -1. So now I should get n as a output. Okay, let me execute this n. Okay, this is how like we can access the characters from string. Hope you got understood this. Okay, yeah. So now let's see slicing. Okay, slicing, basically slicing is nothing but by using slicing we'll be getting new string. Okay, let me write an syntax for the slicing. Okay, the syntax is first yeah, the syntax is first like we have to write the starting point colon, the ending, the stop point colon, and the step. Okay, so this is a syntax we have to follow while using slicing. Okay, yeah, so let me give an example for this. So let me take string is equal to, now just I will write welcome to Python playlist. Okay, this is a string I've taken. Now what I will do is, sorry, I need from welcome to 2 up to this. I don't want a Python playlist. I want only welcome to. Okay, for that what I will do is I will start from 0. Okay, always the index starts from 0, right? It starts from 0 colon. Let me check the index. So this will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9, but we have to write 10, because if we need 9 values, like we have to write the next value, so that we will be getting 9 values. Okay, hope you understood. Let me see the output now. Okay, yeah, you guys can see here we got welcome to. Okay, this is how like we'll be using slicing. And one more thing guys, here I have to mention one more thing. If I write the empty slicing, okay, if I write the empty slicing, then I will be getting the complete string. The complete string I will be getting as output, because there is no starting, there is no ending, so that I'll be getting the complete string here. If I execute this, you guys can see the output as welcome to Python playlist. So I got complete string. Okay, this is how slicing will be used. Okay, yeah. So now let's see the basic operations in string. Okay, yeah, first one is concatenation. So concatenation is nothing but where if we need to add two strings at that particular time, like we'll be using this concatenation. Okay, let me write so string 1 is equal to, let me write um, Python. Okay, Python, and string 2 is equal to programming. Okay, programming. Now I need to add these two things into a single string. Okay, how can I add? So I'll be getting, like I'll be writing the variable name as result, then just I will add, I'll concatenate these two strings. Okay, if I print R, I'll be getting Python programming. Okay, this is how like we'll be using this concatenation. Okay, now let's see the repetition. So basically repetition is nothing but this is used to repeat the strings in multiple times. Okay, so now let's see the example. I'll take Python as a string. I'll take Python as a string. Now I need to execute this Python 4 times. Okay, I need to execute this Python 4 times. Okay, and if I print s1, oh sorry, if I print this, I'll be getting Python as a 4 times. You can check 1 2 3 4. Okay, like it is used to repeat the things, it is used to repeat the strings. Okay, I need now 6 times. Okay, 6 times has been repeated. This is how like this repetition is used in strings. Okay, now let's see length. Length is nothing but it is used to find how many characters are available in the string. Okay, let me take this itself. Okay, this string, and I'll find the length, like I need the length of this string. Okay, it's 6. Let me count 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, this is how like we'll be counting, like we'll be getting the length of string. Okay, now let's see like minimum. Like what is this minimum? We'll be getting the minimum value, a minimum character from the string. Okay, yeah, let me take the same string. So basically this minimum will be taking from the alphabets. from the alphabets, which is the smallest one and which is the largest one, it will be counting like a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2. This is how like we'll be getting as an output. Okay, yeah, let me execute this. Yeah, so in the present string, p is the minimum, like p is the smallest one compared to all these like characters. Okay, now let's see the maximum one. So maximum of s1. So why is the maximum one? Okay, membership. Okay, membership is nothing but membership is used to find whether the particular character is mentioned in the string or not. Okay, so membership will be executed in the form of boolean like true or false. Okay, let me take an example. Let me take the same string. Okay, now what I will do is just I will be printing that is p in s1 or not. If p is present, it's not defined. Oh, sorry. Yeah. So is p is in is p in s1 or not? It's false because p is capital here and this p is small, so it's showing as false. If I make this as capital, you guys can see it's a true. Okay, this is how the membership will be used in strings. Okay, do remember guys, here like string is like case sensitive, like we have to use carefully. Okay, yeah, so like these are like some of the basic operations and strings, and like this is slicing and accessing elements and creating of string. Like hope you guys have understood about string. Like if you have any doubts, please comment below. I will be answering all your doubts. Okay, yeah, thank you.